Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Therese. I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today I'm just getting on here to show you a real quick and easy, super moist, yummy banana bread recipe. On my last grocery haul, we picked up a whole bunch of very ripe bananas, and so I'm going to go ahead and put together this banana bread recipe, and I thought I'd just bring you along for the ride. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to need is 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. We're going to go ahead and get this in. It's a 1 cup measuring cup. The middle ridge is a 1/2 cup, so I can measure that way. The next thing I've done is I've melted a 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick of butter, and I'm going to add that in. Okay, 2 eggs, which I have here. I'm going to beat those up real quick, and we'll add those in. This recipe comes together very quick, guys. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I always just kind of eyeball it, guys. But 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 cup of milk, and about a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt, just whole milk yogurt, or you can use sour cream as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put about a 1/4 cup in. Again, I just kind of eyeball it, kind of just know from experience where we're at with that 1/4 cup. This one ingredient will guaranteed give you the most moist, delicious banana bread you've ever had. The next ingredient we're going to put in is 2 cups of flour. So that's 1 cup, 2 cup, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, so that's the soda, this is the powder. So 1 teaspoon of baking powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of soda, and this is a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm going to put 2 in. Okay, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Again, I've got a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm going to use 2 of those. And then we're going to do 2 ripe bananas that we've mashed up. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. We're going to mash our bananas up. So I've got all the bananas mushed up. We're going to add those in. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop some walnuts. This is optional. If you like nuts, great. If not, no big deal. So I'm going to get these chopped up. So the amount of walnuts that you put in, it just depends on your preference. I probably had about a cup of chopped. Now all this just gets mixed together till it's smooth. So I've got a greased bread pan here, and I'm going to go ahead and just add our batter into that. It smells good. So now we're going to take the loaf pan full of our banana bread batter, and we're going to bake it in an oven set to 355 Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes. Okay guys, the banana bread is done. It looks amazing. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I like a little butter on mine, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little butter on it. If you hear the dog in the background, that's just Jack playing with his toy. I apologize. Cut it in half. Guys, this is really good. Jack! That's really good, guys. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for joining me today and making this quick, easy, super moist, super yummy banana bread.
This turned out fantastic. You guys definitely got to give it a try.
We'll catch you on the next one.
Let's let him see Jack. Say hi, Jack. We're trying to make a video. Are you helping?